Okay, here's my Felicity Jane. So excited to see this one. I don't know what to expect. I didn't get to see any fun things, any sneak peeks or anything. Ooh, what is this? Alphabet stickers? We hope you love your new goodies. Ooh, look at how beautiful that is. And it's gold foil. I don't know if you can tell, but ooh, pretty. Husband's working, so that's the scanner. Oh, look at this. And my door is open because I forget that that's on until I started filming. But who cares? It's all good. Okay, so oh, look at these felt hearts, you guys. Those are beautiful. Oh, beautiful. You get 3 colors and 2 sizes. Ooh, love that. Look at their stamp sets. Whoop, no. And that would be Dory chasing the squirrel. They hate squirrels. They hate cats. Bulldogs do not like that stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh, you guys, this is an awesome, awesome kit. Totally awesome. Look at the colors, too. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Okay, that is going to be on my to-do list. Epoxy hearts, that's bus. I'm not sure if I told you or not. I've been filming videos for a little while today, and I've been telling everyone, it's bus, it's bus, it's bus. Oh, I love it. Oh, numbers. And they're skinny, too. Love this. Baby pink. I love these. That's an awesome addition. Love that. Wow, you guys. I am loving it. It seems like you got more this time. Last month seemed a little bit on the less side, but you know, I've been really sick, so it may have just been me. These are chipboard stickers. But I think so far I feel like I've got a ton of stuff, which is good. So, oh, look at that. So you get a bow, and then you get, see, you can take out the bow carefully, and then you can just seal this back up and use it as a shaker pocket and leave all the little doodads in there. That's fun. Here are the 3x4 pocket cards. Oh, look at that. And they're single-sided. Today, tomorrow, always. It's already the 12th. So, wow, a couple more weeks and we'll be seeing sneak peeks for the next month's kit. Crazy. Time is just flying. I love all their stuff. It's so fun. Oh, I have pictures of Cheyenne and her girlfriend. So, going on vacation. So, hi, get to have fun with these colors. Okay, let's look at the, I wanted to see what that was. February. Oh, I wonder if that's new. It's not in here, so I wonder if it is. That's cool. I always use this part too. I always use this. Use it all, you guys. I haven't been opening them, but I wanted to open this one because I love the colors. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Plus, it's a quick video. Oh, so pretty. Hoping by next month I'll have my new lighting system. We'll even see if that helps or not. We'll see. Nothing seems to be. Ooh, look at the yellow. And the flowers. The grid. Oh, I love that. Yep. I love this one. This is awesome. And then you always get the 2 solid colors with the little scallop in the bottom. And then the box. Yep. I love this kit. Okay, so I pay for, this one is $40.22. That is how much I pay for this kit. Each month. Worth it. Alright guys, take care. See y'all next month.